Hey, Rat. Hold up a second, okay? I need to ask you something real quick.
Cow, what's going on? What happened? And what do you need from me?
I'm honestly super hungry right now, so could you please share that apple with me?
Hey there, buddy. If you've got enough, could I get an apple too, please?
Sure thing, friends. Just wait right here, okay? The apples are by my house, so I'll run over and bring some back for you.
Hey, could I please have an apple too, friend? I'd really like one.
Thank you so much for feeding us, friend. It really means a lot. And if you ever need anything at all, just say the word, and we'll help you out.
All right, friends. I'm heading out now. Bye, everyone. See you later. Oh no. I ate all my food, and now there's nothing left. I guess I'd better go look around and see if I can find something to eat. Wait, what in the world happened to you, friend? How did you suddenly get so huge? I went into a cave, and when I came back out, I turned into this. Please, friends, can you help me figure out how to change back?
Okay, let's all go together and take a look. Come on, everybody, let's move.
What happened here? Why did everyone show up like this all of a sudden? Hey, monkey, my friend got big because he went into your cave, so please turn him back to normal right now.
Kia mi fa.